As all true XK enthusiasts will know, XK120s and XK140s came with drum brakes all the way around. The 150 then revolutionised the range with four-wheel disc brakes. So why, when we fit disc brake upgrades to 120s and 140s, do we not fit disc brakes to all four wheels? I mean, Jaguar revolutionised the world with using disc brakes on their racing C-types. Surely, disc brakes on all four wheels is the answer. Sadly, for a road car like this, it's just not. On the front, we love these disc brake upgrades. They make the cars much more reliable, usable and easy to live with. These nice 4-pot calipers work super well. However, on the rear, we like to stick with these original drum brakes. The reason is twofold. First of all, unless you're using it for a motorsport application, you really don't need the extra stopping power on the rear. Secondly, we use these because the handbrake is so much better than on an XK150. If you look at how an XK150 rear disc brake handbrake works, it's got two fingers that pull together and you get the tiniest contact patch holding your car still. They need constant adjustment to work, they're difficult to get through MOTs and they're just not that effective. Same situation on an E-Type and on a Mark II. We do a handbrake upgrade for the rear of an E-Type, which works really well, but this system isn't suitable to XKs. And there you have it. That's why we fit disc brakes to the front and not the rear of XK120s and XK140s. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.